my goodness, you guys. The temperature in Arizona right now is freezing cold. I'm a wimp anyway, but when I woke up, it was, I think, 35 degrees outside, which is freaking cold. And then I look at it now, it's 46, and I'm like, I'm freezing. So I have a heater over here. You're not gonna hear it, it's just one that emits heat. And if you hear me rattling around, well, I have my weighted blanket on me, okay? Okay, don't judge me. It's freezing. I'm from Arizona, it's too cold. I can't help it. I don't do well with the cold. I don't. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm collaborating with my good friend Mechelle here on YouTube. Her channel name here on YouTube is Minimal Mechelle. I absolutely adore her. We have been kind of talking and chatting, and we've done one previous collab, I believe, before, or we talked about it. I can't quite remember. There's too many videos on my channel. She is just like the most positive person I have found here on YouTube. I absolutely enjoy her content. I'm always kind of amazed at just how positive she is, even in difficult situations. She is just a ray of sunshine in my mind. I absolutely love just how calming she is in her videos. I tend to watch those when I'm feeling very anxious just because her voice is so calming. She does a lot of videos right now. I know she's doing like 100 days of vlogging, but I believe she's doing it where she's vlogging for like 20 days straight. I don't know how you do that. And then like taking a short break in between, which I think is smart because I don't know how you would actually vlog 100 days right in a row. I don't know how you do that. I don't know how you vlog. I'm not a vlogger. I don't understand it. Anyway, I don't understand how you do it. Not that I don't understand it, because I watch people who vlog. That is not what I meant. Oh my goodness, rambling Danielle today. We're in a, yeah. Anyway, her and I are doing a collaboration where she has basically challenged me to do a neutral eye look. Well, we're gonna do a neutral eye look Danielle's way. Today we are filming a neutral eye look, but I'm going to do a neutral eye look Danielle's way because I am not somebody who tends to do a lot of neutral eye looks. Not that I think neutral eye looks are beautiful. I just don't feel confident in them. I feel more confident in color. I don't know, maybe it's because I like to be noticed and have people stare at me, especially when I'm going out with like a blue smoky eye. It's kind of my favorite. But I really just kind of wanted to do this collab with her. I think she deserves so many more subscribers. She does all kinds of things on her channel. She has supernatural makeup tutorials. She has videos where she's just kind of talking and being uplifting. She has videos where she's talking about her life. She has videos where she's showing on what's going on in her world. So her channel as well as her video will be listed in the description box down below. So you will have to check her out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am using, again, the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. I'm gonna go in, however, with my Revolution concealer, and I'm going to, oh, my hair. You guys, my hair is in an awkward state. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. You guys, I woke up this morning with like the non-ability to speak coherently, so it's gonna be fun because I am planning on filming a few videos today. And okay, I have to laugh because the video after this one, I'm just like, oh, you're doing a neutral eye look and then you're gonna go film that video? Yes, I am. I cleaned all my makeup sponges. This one came out the cleanest. It smells really good. Just be proud of me for cleaning my stuff because it has been, I don't know what it's been. It's been a while since I've washed any of my stuff. I need new makeup sponges, but can't get those right now. Okay, so I'm planning on doing a very kind of intense smoky eye because when I think neutral, I think intense smoky eye. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go into the shade All Nighter right here. And we're actually gonna pack that on the lid. I'm going to start with my lid and then work everything else out. I don't know if this is what she had in mind for a neutral eye look, but it's using neutral colors. We're just gonna kind of pack this on. It's gonna be messy in the beginning, but I promise it will come together. And I'm just using this flat kind of shader brush right here. There is hair all over me. Life with a dog, and then, you know, between the dog and I shed just as much as the dog. Oh gosh. I woke up today and thought about not filming, but I have all this time because I'm not actually working right now. Not that I don't have a job, but I'm actually just not. I'm not working. It's a complex situation, and that's about as much as I can get into. I should just end it like this. This is the tutorial. Hello, my name is Danielle and I have panda eyes. Actually, I need to do the ring underneath and then it's total panda eyes. But really quick, I'm going to go in with this just Anastasia Beverly Hills fluffy brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on like the transition and all of that. All of that fun to kind of really make this smoky eye kind of work. So the next shade I'm going to go into is, I'm going to go into Flip Out. And I'm actually going to take this on the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. That's what that looks like. We got this in our BoxyCharm. And I'm just going to start really kind of blending everything out. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush. This one is the Kivange ones that I like. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But then I'm going to go into the shade Hide and Seek. And we're just going to really kind of soften the edges even more. And I'm making sure to go in with little circular motions as well as bringing my brush all across that brown shade Flip Out that we put on. So it kind of gives it this soft, smoked out kind of look on the eye. And I will clean up the edges of my eye just a little bit with a makeup wipe here in a second, but you could also use tape and get it really, really precise for how you want it. It's just really up to you. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning the edge of my eye up a bit and having it just be a little sharper. So now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the Covergirl liquid eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. Now this is something that I think, now a smoky eye is something I think that needs to be really glammed up. So I will be doing my foundation, my highlight, all of that. But I want to finish the eyes or most of the eyes before I go on and do that. because a smoky eye can also be very messy. Okay, so I went ahead and did my winged liner as well as my mascara off of camera. For mascara, I've just been using my Smashbox full exposure little sample that I have here. What we're gonna do now is the lower lash line as well as my inner corner here, because I do not want, when I put my foundation and everything else on, I don't want it like all over my face. And I'm planning on playing with glitter. I know. Danielle, glitter's not neutral. It's gold glitter. It's neutral. Golds are in neutral palettes. Therefore, it's neutral and it counts. It counts. I'm gonna get away with what I want to. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to quickly take the Kokie Professionals Velvet Smooth Eyeliner and I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. And then to go over the top of that, I'm actually going to go in with this shade right here, After Midnight, and I'm going to place it, and then I'm going to take kind of a fluffy crease brush underneath my eye and I'm going to blend that out and kind of smoke it out. And by the way, this is an Alamar Cosmetics just kind of flat defining brush. I like these brushes for right along my lower lash line. Okay. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with this little elf crease brush and I'm just gonna kind of really smoke it out. So because this is such like an intense kind of smoky eye, and I'm hoping I don't look like a panda. If I do, well, I tried. I'm gonna go in with this glitter from Spectrum Cosmetics. It's their Gold Digger glitter, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to very carefully place this in my inner corner. So I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer here. Just gonna place this on the back of my hand. I placed too much. Oh well. And then I'm going in, this is actually the Medusa's Makeup eyeliner brush, but I like to use this more for my inner corner when I'm doing stuff like this, or anytime I'm placing glitter, really. Then I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to use it to help me place the glitter. I just have a little bit of glitter here in the lid. So anytime you're placing glitter near your eyes, you do have to be careful, but you also want to make sure it is cosmetic glitter. Just because if you're using craft glitter, that is not safe, nor do I recommend that. Okay, so now that I have really intense inner corners with that glitter, I'm going to quickly go off of camera and do my face makeup. Well, I'm back. I went ahead and did all of my base makeup. I will have everything listed down below. I contoured, put blush on, all of that good stuff, and it'll be all listed in the description box just in case you're wondering what I did use. So for my lips today, because I'm obsessed, we're going to use one of the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance lipsticks, and this is going to be in 1995. You can blame Raven for sending these to me for my obsession with them, okay? Well, there you have it. This is my version of a neutral look. You guys will have to go check out Mechelle's channel, as well as let me know what you think of this look down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye! The dog just starts barking. That's what I have to put up with. Hello and welcome back to my channel. That's what I normally say. Thank you.